We're Hertfordshire Drives Landscapes. We offer landscaping and driveway services around Hertfordshire, Cambridgeshire. We start off at kind of, low-level gardens, just paving, block paving and things like that, up to, full design and build, working with other garden designers and other tradesmen to bring gardens together. So our typical project would be a kind of design and build project where we start from the ground up, full renovation, brick walls and retainers, and anything that needs doing within the garden, within their scheme, up to planting. We do timber structures and garden rooms as well. There's lots of work in our scopes. So the main goal of this one really was to work with the garden designer Martin, who was actually the client, to create a really flowing garden that took you on a bit of a journey. As you can see with the clover turf, it's created kind of pathways that you can meander through the garden and take you to different areas. The other scope of works include the driveway at the front to create a bigger area with block paving, and to create a higher area where there's kind of a garden feel as well. There was a few challenges here really with all the level changes. As you can see, I don't know if you can see in the shot, but there's a lower area here. This was quite a flat garden before. We had to create all the kind of mounds and gradients ourselves within the garden. That was a bit of a challenge. We kind of overcome them with some good landscapers who had some good knowledge. Tom McGee was the foreman on this one, really pulled out the stops in terms of setting out and kind of overall build quality. So we've worked with George quite a long time now. We only kind of use George Davies for our grass and specialist needs like that. Especially with the clover turf, it was something we really wanted to implement in this garden as well as the designer. It's just a different feel to the garden. It brings it to life a bit more than normal turf. But yeah, George Davies is our kind of preferable supplier. Working with George Davies really always brings that kind of quality to the end of the project. Going from a kind of muddy space to green turf at the end really, brings out the full potential of the project. Working with George Davies on it, the reliability and the quickness of delivery really is for us, second to none, and that really helps with the clients and keeping them on side. What advice I'll give? Give them a call, see what they can do for you. They're really helpful. We worked together for quite a number of years and got a good relationship, and I think that's really important, especially for small companies as well. If you've got a relationship with a good company, they'll kind of help you out along the way.